Hello everyone, I wanted to introduce you to my old man, my old Penman, that is. This is a pen that I carved out of deer antler, and it's of course the face of an old man, and it just ends with his very long beard. And so I've carefully carved all of the details, some of which were actually done under a microscope, to just achieve just the finest level of detail. And he has a quizzical brow because the finger placements are carved as such that when you hold him, it actually looks like his face is being squished. So while the pen is extremely comfortable in your hand, he all the while looks rather uncomfortable. Anyways, he will be making an appearance on our website soon, so be watching for him to make another appearance.